here I am. I was not prepared for this, but here we are. Red TVS, so I'm imagining it's an EF4, so let's go after it. Now, yes, I did say I was going to save up for the armadillo, but this is great awake, and I literally make memory back already almost. Okay, now the tornado should be close. Yes. Okay. Tornado is going to come about. I cannot get too close. I'm getting the T1. T1 spawn. Because I need an interceptor. Like, the dough is just not an interceptor. Let me check I'm recording. Like, real quick. Yes, I am. Holy lag spike. I mean, if I get a lag spike, then this thing's no joke. Oh my, oh no, oh no. Why everyone going there? I'm trusting that guy. I don't know actually. Like, who to trust? Okay, where am I? Yeah, this should do. Starter, gyro, missile, umbrella. I was not ready for this. Deploy now. Parking brake. Come on, deploy. Deploy. Phew. Also, don't get why, but the Mesonet is not working. 170. Oh no, I'm going to get lofted, guys. Like, look. TAV1. 165, and this is above my threshold. Guys, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I knew it. I got lofted. I mean, at least I'm making money. That's great. I'm still flying. Wait, guys, I am frozen in the air. I am frozen. What? God, like, what? What? I literally have to say, bro. Oh, never mind. Okay, so now as we could see, I think I want the dough. Yes. Get this and stay near the tornado because, I mean, as you can see, like, the T1 is not strong enough, so I mean, I might as well use something to profit. And there's another tornado which I'm not going after. Instead, I'm getting my probe. Brake. Parking brake. Okay. Get everything. Do you take everything? Yes. Like, I'm such in a rush. Okay. Where's the EF4? No, other stuff. EF5, guys. EF5. This is even better. I'm sorry, bro, but this is better. Like, dude. Oh my gosh, I think I'm going to have to... Yes. I mean, firstly, I'm getting that one. Secondly, where do I put myself is big question. Okay, so it's going there. Okay, I need to place myself right here. Guys, I'm so scared. Bomboclat. Oh no, oh no. I lost control, guys. Why am I sliding so much? Okay, I need to get there. I need to get there. Oh my gosh, how do I intercept this thing? I mean, I don't want to intercept it actually. Okay, where am I? Where am I? Parking brake. Where am I? There's not enough time left. Not enough time. Dude, leave! Exit! Exit. Why am I lagging? Starter, gyro, missile, umbrella. Now I need to get out of here. That T1 is going to die. I hope I have my mouse on because I'm not editing this. Oh no, oh no, I'm going to have to floor it. No, 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 no. Wait, there's another tornado there. Guys, I'm cooked. Look at that, bro. I'm not even in, and that's beyond my threshold when deployed. I am cooked. Please don't tell me I'm driving right. I'm driving right into the F4. Oh no, guys, I'm overcooked. Avoid everything. Okay. Move out the way. Alright. Guys, don't ask me how, but I might be able to survive. I think it's going right over my probe because I'm making way too much money. Alright, brakes, 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 brakes. Brakes. Yes. Set it to strongest. Come on. Come on. Strongest. Okay. Dude, come on. Get in, get in, get in. Deploy. I'm way too close to the F4, and that vehicle got lofted. I think it's at the F2. Dude, I am making money. Also, that F5 is pretty strong. And later I'm going to have to actually go back to my probe, but I have to wait for the tornadoes to leave. And yeah, I mean my probe is kinda here, but I need for me to not make any money. Dude, look how close I was to this tornado. Yeah, I think I can go now. Now the good thing is that you basically undeploy instantly. Like, look at that money. Okay, yeah, I'm not making any more money, so I should be good to get my probes. And yes, that's it. Why am I getting so much lag, guys? Why? Oh, something's wrong. Something's very wrong. Is it the recording? No, I don't think it is. Is it the dough? Guys, something's wrong. My game froze. Dude, I have an SSD. How did it freeze? Yes. Jump out. Because some... Okay, yeah, it's chill again. But why so not many FPS? Is the graphics too much? I mean, I can do this. But that doesn't explain the FPS. Oh well. I mean, it stopped. That's great. Yeah, I am getting very low FPS. Wait, no. So these are my probes, and I accidentally jumped out of my dough truck. But yeah, I mean, I'd say this is it for today, for this intercept. I was not planning this, but I decided to record it because it was pretty crazy. So let's see the money. Okay, so this earned 1,630, 4,500, 55,000, 2,000, 20,000, and now let's see if I can buy. Okay, so how much is this? 28,000. However, the threshold is very good. The title sucks and this not even looking at it. Now, how about the Thief 2? TIF2 is more expensive with only 10 miles per hour more